cozy. The snow has stopped, so we're just gonna drive up the hill and see what it's like on top of the hills. Okay, we're back home. That was a short but exciting adventure. Our little city car needs four-wheel drive. It was not equipped to go up there. I did not expect that much snow to be on the roads up there either. It was beautiful. I got stuck. Strangers helped me push my car down so I could turn left into another road and slowly, snail's pace, scoot all the way down to the hill and then drive back up our little part, which is snow-free. So yeah, I'm just gonna go have a little break, have lunch, and see if I want to hike up there or if this was enough adventure for me today. Can show you this. I got Reinier a birthday card because his birthday is what day is it today? Tuesday? Tomorrow in a week. So I got him a nice cool big birthday card in which I can write a lot of stuff. Wait, I was just wishing you a wonderful birthday. Anyway, I thought it was pretty cute. It's got this sort of metallic stuff. Also got his birthday present here. He has no idea what it is yet, but I can show you. This is Reinier's birthday present. I got him a cookbook from Chinese Indonesian restaurants in the Netherlands, because they've got our favorite food. We love Chinese restaurants in the Netherlands and we've been missing that food so much. And then recently I saw that this book came out, which is all about those restaurants. There's all stories from different restaurants in there and some of the history behind the dishes as well, how they got Dutchified, I guess, because this is not the food that you'll find in Indonesia or China, I imagine. I've never been, but I'm pretty sure they don't have this food, but this is the Dutch version of it and it's delicious and I really can't wait for us to try any of these recipes from it. So I hope he's gonna like it and hopefully we'll soon cook something from it as well. So yeah, the idea for his birthday present is this book and then his birthday card, and then the day before I'll also go and do groceries for one or two recipes that are in the book, and then I'll fill a whole box with fresh groceries and this present wrapped up at the bottom. And then at first hopefully he'll be a bit confused and surprised why he's getting a big box with veggies and different stuff in there. But when he gets to the bottom and to his wrap present, I hope it'll all make sense to him. But yeah, we'll see how it goes and I'll let you know if he likes it. Gotta hide the book again, because else he might see it when he comes home. It's really heavy. Now the last thing to do with a birthday present that is now for someone who used to have his birthday in summer and now has a birthday in winter is put it under our Christmas tree. Hey, today is Tuesday, 29th of August, which means tomorrow is my birthday. I'm very excited about it. Reinier has been planning a surprise or working on a surprise gift for a little while now, and I was absolutely not allowed to go into his office, so I'm very curious to see what it is tomorrow. But yeah, just noticed that we've got a lot of different themes going on. We got a balloon for the birthday. And we've got a Christmas tree as well, which might be a bit weird because it's August. But since we just came out of winter, we had a Christmas tree up for Christmas celebrations at midwinter, and nobody wanted to take it out. Third time today, Spotify decided to play Mambo No. 5, which is one of my favorite songs. So I'm gonna have a cooking dance party here in a minute. I won't do that on camera because I'll shake it too much and nobody wants to see me weirdly dance like uncooked spaghetti. Anyways, I was talking about Christmas tree right here. Yeah, nobody wanted to take it down. It's a lot of work, so we just decided to leave it up until actual Christmas. So yeah, we've got 6 months a year, we've got a Christmas tree up. Enjoy! Hi, this is future Claudia. As I was editing this vlog, I realized we didn't have any video about me actually showing what was in my present. So not doing that would have been quite a mean cliffhanger. So I thought I'd just jump on here and show you what I got from Reinier for my birthday. So first off, I got this beautiful, beautiful art book from Hogwarts Legacy art. So that's for the video game and all the art that they used in there, which is just an amazingly beautiful book. And I really, really love art books. So that was a very thoughtful and sweet gift, and I absolutely love it. And then the thing that Reinier worked on for so long and why I wasn't allowed in his office is that he made me this super, super cute, I think it's called Filt, fantail. So this fantail, I absolutely love fantails. Fantails are one of my favorite birds, or maybe my number one favorite bird here in New Zealand. And they are very small and they have this beautiful white and black tail, and they are super fast and they're fearless. They will just show up and do all these acrobatic little swooshes in the air and get little flies and bugs, which is what they eat. And I thought this was so cool. And Reinier put a lot of effort into making this cute bird for me, and I really, really love it. So yeah, these are my two beautiful birthday gifts that I got from Reinier, which I'm super, super excited about, and I really love them. And I just wanted to share that with you. So back to the rest of the normal vlog. See ya!